Hey guys, for today's video, we're finishing up the John boat floor. In the last video, we got the wood sized and cut to fit. All of the ribs were notched out using a jigsaw. The foam board was cut to size and fit between the ribs, and we got a coating of fiberglass on the floor. If you guys want to check out the previous progress, I'll have a link in the description, and I'll also throw up a link in the top right of the video. All right, so we're going to continue from there. Let's get started. All right, it's the next day. This has cured completely. It looks ready to go. I'm just gonna hit it with a quick hit of sandpaper just to rough it up so I can get it ready for the carpet glue. All right, so with the reverse side all cured with the fiberglass resin, I'm gonna go ahead and just put a coat of this Thompson's water seal on the back of it. This will just give a nice full protection of the wood from top to bottom. All right, there it is. All sealed with the Thompson's water seal. I'm gonna give this a couple hours to dry, and then we'll be able to get the carpet glue and carpet on. All right, so the next step in getting the carpet on is we gotta cut the carpet size to fit. My goal is to wrap the carpet around about 2 inches. I'm gonna measure how much carpet is needed to wrap over the edge, and then I'm gonna take that same measurement on the other sides and then use that to make lines to cut the carpet. For a 2-inch wrap, we need to come out 3 inches of carpet. All right, as you can see, we have that all cut now. I'm going to cover the top with the carpet glue, flip over the carpet, and then start stapling. All right, so for the glue, I'm using indoor-outdoor carpet adhesive. This is adhesive that'll hold up to water in case it gets wet, which I'm sure it will. To spread it, I found these 2 or 3 inch spreaders, about 3 inch spreaders. There it is there. So to attach the carpet, I'm using the same stainless steel staples that I use for carpeting the trailer box. So right now, I gotta get this onto the carpet and then we'll start wrapping it. All right, now it is time to wrap carpet. All right, so I have most of the carpet stapled in. I did an okay job. Notches, they were really a pain. All right, now that I have the back all stapled down, I'm gonna come down from the front and clean up any of the notches that didn't come out as good as I could have done from the back side. Honestly, a lot of this came out really good. All right, I'm gonna do a little cleanup and then we can test fit it. Oh, look at that. That fits like a glove. All right, well, there it is. The floor is officially built. I still need to screw it in place. I'm gonna leave it unsecured for now. I wanna see how it feels. I wanna get in the boat and use it. I wanna see if I needed to put any more foam under it or any adjustments, but I love it. Look how nice and tight the edge is there. Same with that side. I'm really happy with how this came out. That is how you build a JON boat floor. I'm gonna be doing a similar process to the front here. This is gonna be a flat floor right here, and then this is gonna be storage here. And then in the back, I'm gonna try to do some kind of foam and carpet at the bottom here. I'm gonna section this off. That's gonna give a little bit more strength to the top of the bench seat there. I would like to have the back deck go all the way to the edge, because I'm also planning on installing a navigation light here and then cleats on both sides. So it would be nice to have a little bit of a platform here to not only hide everything, just to, you know, clean it up and make it look as nice as possible. All right, guys, well, if you found this project helpful, don't forget to let me know by hitting that like button. If you want to see more of the JON boat project, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if you guys have any questions or comments on the process I've used, feel free to drop me a line below. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.